Alright guys, we got the Super AFC installed and working, and did some pulls. What's up everybody? Here with the SC300, and we're actually going to pull that Super AFC back out of the car today. It was running rough. The guys over at GearHeads were telling me that that thing is gonna, knock some timing out, and could blow the engine up. So I actually installed a Super AFC. I don't have it plugged in right now. Jeremy, tell us why we shouldn't run the Super. We're gonna make sure the guys know to not install the Super AFCs. Why is that bad?
The funny thing is I've uninstalled probably 30 of those things in the last, 10 or 15 years. When they came out, it was to kind of like be able to make some tunability on cars that weren't tunable.
Right.
In the early and mid 2000s. And the problem with it is if you take a timing signal from a distributor and modify it, you're globally modifying it, which means that you're increasing the timing at the high end, but also making issues other places. So
you're increasing the timing at the.
It's worse than that, because usually it uses an airflow modifier. So if you use an airflow modifier to fix your air fuel ratio to make it make more power with air fuel ratio, it will also move the timing accordingly. So if you reduce the fuel to make it leaner to make more power, you're also increasing the timing. So you're now making it leaner and over time. And those two items, those are how you blow cars up. So too much timing and not enough fuel, that's how you blow stuff up.
You're watching Tater Nader, Accelerate with Faith, entertaining automotive content. If you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the action. Let's go. Right, so
it does them together because
okay, so let's make sure we understand this. Yeah. So it's gonna pull time, it's gonna make it lean essentially. It could make it lean, and lean is how you blow up a car.
Lean is how you blow up a car, and over timing is how
it could do either one.
It does both. If you try to reduce the fuel to make it leaner, to make it faster, it also increases timing. With a factory ECU, both numbers are going to move. You're moving it on the map over. So if you move the fuel map over, what people don't think about is you're moving the timing map over too in the background, and nobody's thinking about that.
All right, guys. So we're super excited about the new merch launch. You can see, looks great. And this month we're actually going to be doing a giveaway. So any product on the Zazzle store, Tater Nader's Zazzle store, you get to pick it out. There's gold watches, there's floor mats, there's shirts, hats, all kinds of stuff. You get to pick out any product that you want, and I'll get it shipped directly to you. So how do you enter the giveaway? It's simple. You just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then comment below. Let me know what design that you like the best on the store. And then at the end of the month, and I'll randomly select the winner from that list. I'll direct message you, and then you can get me your information, and I'll get that product sent directly to you guys. All right, there's some of our new designs laid out real nice. You got the keychain, a couple of the shirts. All right, and then Carolyn's wearing the ladies shirt. She's modeling it. I got her one. All of these designs come in ladies cuts. She's looking good in the Tater Nader shirt there.
It's very nice.
Is it nice? Good material?
It feels nice. It's light.
And I'm here sporting the hat and the SC300 tee right there. You can get these in every single color: blue, green, white, pink. You can get it in long sleeve, short sleeve, hoodies.
Yeah, fall's coming up.
Thanks for supporting. There'll be a link down below where you can go straight to Zazzle to order from them. Really premium packaging. Everything is really, really nice. It came in about a week. Zazzle handles everything super professional, fantastic, great customer service. So we're really excited about that. Let's go. You heard it from a professional. Jeremy has been in the game for over 20 years and has tons of experience. He's up here in the North Austin area. GearHeads AutoFab, it's there on his shirt, guys. He doesn't really need any business, but if you're in desperate need, come by, and he might be able to help you out. So, hey, thanks for everything today. Really appreciate you. All right, guys. We got the Super AFC installed and working, and did some pulls. It seemed to actually definitely add a little bit of horsepower. But just to be safe, I went over to GearHeads Performance and got the guys over there and their opinion, and I think I'm actually gonna pull this thing back out because he said that, you know, this thing is gonna trick the computer and it's gonna start knocking real bad because it's gonna pull out timing, and sure enough, it seems to be knocking now, and I'm afraid I'm gonna blow this thing up if I keep it in there. All right, these are actually shots of me installing the Super AFC originally. I actually did pull the Super AFC all the way out of the car. I took Jerem's advice, and I was pretty frustrated, so I didn't get any film of me uninstalling it. But just know, guys, that we learn as we go, and we're going to be better off for it. We're going to do the right thing, and we're going to keep the SC in good shape. Unfortunately, I don't think this project really went that well. As I continue to investigate, I'll keep you guys posted on what I'm going to do with this thing. But like I said, the guys over at Jerem over at Gearhead Performance here in North Austin in the Pflugerville area, he's saying pull it out, and we need to go standalone ECU, Halt Tech all the way, so that we can monitor timing and we can do it right. So don't want to blow the car up. That would be expensive. Trying to do it cheap will turn into an expensive project if you do it wrong. So I think we're gonna pull it out. We're gonna be safe, and we'll continue learning as we go. So I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if I'm doing the right thing by pulling it back out or not. I'm a little bummed, but I would rather have a slow car than a one that I blow up. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Perfect.